Today, we were about to discuss the parallel lines. Parallel lines are basis of Euclid's parallel postulates. Two lines in plane that do not intersect or touch at a point are parallel lines. Now, let's cut these two lines by another line. This line is called transversal. After cutting these parallel lines by a transversal, we created 8 angles, namely angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If the parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the corresponding angles must be congruent. For example, angle 3 and angle 5. Since they are congruent, therefore, it is a parallel lines. And also, the alternate angles must be congruent. For example, the value of angle 4 is 14 plus 3x degrees. And the value of angle 6 is 5x minus 66 degrees. We can say that 14 plus 3x is equal to 5x minus 66.
Now we need to combine similar terms. 14 plus 3x minus 3x is equal to 5x minus 66 minus 3x. 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. And 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. What we have left is 14. So 14 is equal to 2x minus 66. Then we need to transpose negative 66 to the other side by simply adding 66. Negative 66 plus 66 is equal to 0. And 66 plus 14 is equal to 80. To get the value of x, we must divide its coefficient. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Times x is equal to x. And 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. To check if the angle 4 and angle 6 are congruent, we must substitute the value of x to each variables. Angle 4 is equal to 14 plus 3x. And angle 6 is equal to 5x minus 66. Let's substitute x to 40. 14 plus 3 times 40 is equal to 5 times 40 minus 66. 3 times 40 is equal to 120. And 5 times 40 is equal to 200. 14 plus 120 is equal to 134. And 2 200 minus 66 is equal to 134. Therefore, angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. Now we can say that angle 4 and angle 6 are congruent angles.
Now, let's get the interior angles of the same side of a transversal. Now, the interior angles of the same side of transversal must be supplementary. For example, angle 4 is equals to 134 degrees based on the solution, and angle 3 is equals to 46 degrees. We need to get the sum of the two angles in order to know if they are supplementary. Angle 4 plus angle 3 is equals to 180. Since the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees, therefore, these two angles are supplementary. Thank you for listening in our simple discussion about parallel lines. I'm Sai.
And I'm Mark. We hope you learned something about our topic. Bye.
Bye.